welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this full look, and I don't know, it's a bit glam, bit out there, but I wanted to do something that was a little bit fun because I feel like all the full looks that I've seen are like black or like grungy, which, don't get me wrong, is going to be coming, but I just thought this is like a kind of more glam look that's more glittery and fun, because festival season and summer isn't just for glitter. Like, glitter can be all year round. The lips, I'm obsessed. This is my new like fave combo, I think. Some new updates in this video. I haven't said everything, but let me know if you notice, because it is something that's on me. So if you notice in the description, and it's not my piercing, that's obviously obvious. But yeah, so if you notice in the description, then if you notice then drop it down in the description. If you aren't subscribed already, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see this makeup look, then please keep watching. I basically talk at you while I do my makeup. This is going to be a full makeup look. I thought, I haven't actually done one yet, and it's October, so you know. So to update you, I am going to do a separate video on this. However, those of you that know, like I have had a break for quite a while now, but those of you that know, I used to be with Unique, which is a network marketing company, and I'm going to do a full video on this because like I think people deserve to know why I left as well, and explain it properly, and I'm not going to go into it here because that's just going to be hella boring. Brows, this is going to be quite light for when I do my actual face, but I quite like having under here quite light, and obviously it's going to be concealer over, eyeshadow over this. So obviously I've been thinking about YouTube, like my makeup stuff, some of you like it, other people aren't interested in it at all, which is fine. And I get like the beauty community is so popular, like there's so many people, like the big people, like James Charles just did a video with Kylie Jenner, like you can't ever compete with that, like, do you know what I mean? So I'm thinking about doing some different kind of stuff, like do I vlog, yada yada yada, because I love editing and I love like creating content, so it's like I don't want to just give up. I don't earn any money from YouTube, like at all. Ooh, that was closer than I thought it was going to be. I have been doing YouTube for 3 years, about 3 years, and I think I've earned about £50, which isn't even the threshold, so technically I've earned nothing because I haven't even got any money from it yet. Although I should probably check, shouldn't I? But basically, that I used to be able to earn money. We used to be able to, us small creators. However, they've now changed the policy, which I still haven't got to yet. Been on the same thing for so long, but you know, can't complain, although I can because it's really annoying. Okay, so I'm going to go into the Stacey Mua palette. I'm going to go straight into a little bit of rowdy, I was about to say rodeo, and I'm going to put it into the crease. On this side. I'm wearing contacts today. I will leave the link below. I can't remember. Hold on, let me just look at the packaging. This is the packaging. Mesmerize. That's quite clever. These, and I will say they're actually such a good price. Normally I would wear ones from Desio Eyes. I don't know how you want to pronounce it. And they're very, very good. However, they are like £20, and I think I don't know if they're one-day use, I can't remember. But these, I just bought one-day use ones to try them, and they were like oh, for the love of God. They were like $4.99. In with that shade Basic, blend that, because you just want to keep rebuilding basically these shades. I will say this palette is quite easy to use if you have good brushes. That's all we really need. I'm with Basic on this little brush, and I'm going to go under the eye. I've got my lips even, so I think, to be fair, I think they've faded. It's faded now. Although the evenness is stayed, which I'm very happy about. My lips are so dry. Anyone else get that that's had their lips done? And I literally feel like they just get so dry. It's horrible. It's almost like they feel scaly. Hideous. Insidious. So I'm going to go in with some of, actually no, let's do the glitter first, because otherwise it might fall down my cheek and then we're in a right situation. So I'm going to go into the shade Cocoa in the Jolie Bomb.com palette, which looks like this, which honestly, heaven in a tin. So like when I do people's makeup obviously and I get this out, they're like, yes. So I'm going to go into this colour, which is like a real chocolate, hold on, bear with, there, it's like a real chocolatey brown, obviously glittery, so it's almost got a bit of goldy in it. I'm just going to apply this to said eye look. You know, yeah, that is quite dark. I'm going to leave a tiny gap there for a little bit of highlight. Said that well weird. TL8s. Yes, TL8s. So I use all these lashes for clients because how lucky are they? You know, Tatti lashes is the best. I'm going in with some glue. I use the Tatti lash glue, by the way. I'm just reaching it. You can buy it in bulk, so you can get loads of these little ones. So these are TL8, which these are new. I haven't tried them yet, but hella excited. Is that ring? Oh, my lips, rank. Use the Ordinary High Adherent of silicone primer. This. That's the word that I couldn't pronounce, that second word there. But actually, this is well good. It makes your skin feel incredible. Incredible. So I'm going to go in and apply these lashes. Let's go in with the right one first. And plop in a corner, outer corner. Pull that in. And plop the outer corner out and the inner corner in. What the hell? So this battery, when I first put it in, said 6%, right? 6. And then as it turned off, so I turned it back on, and then it said 22. So I've been filming this whole time, said 22, and it just ran out. It just said too hot, and it always does that, too hot. Turn it back on, and it says 100%. 100% battery. What the hell? Anyway, so I'm just gone in with some mascara for the bottom lashes, and now I'm going in with some foundation. This is the LA Girl HD foundation. I absolutely love it. If you've got mega oily skin, it's probably not going to be good for you. But I'm going to go into this concealer, which is Tarte, and it's in the shade medium, I think. A good match, I would say, concealer wise, to this foundation, because it's lighter, but it's like still that kind of tinge of, not orange, that's completely the wrong word, but you know what I mean. I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to buff that in a little bit. Oh, for the love of God. Just going to get a fluffy brush and blend this concealer into the shadow. And I'm going to apply that right under the eyeball. Fluffy eyeshadow brush. That's better. So I'm going right in here and blending it up into that bronzer. The Morphe M501 brush. I'm going to go into the shade, in the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight palette, into the shade Sunburst, but also a mixture of Bubbly, which is kind of like a more champagne-y shade. And I'm just going to go straight across to here. So it looks like your cheekbone, basically. That is what you want to achieve. This one will do because it's kind of flat. And I'm going to use the same thing but on my nose. So I'm doing a really, really small little dot right there. and that almost gives you the illusion of like the pointed effect of your nose. And then I'm going to go up the bridge, bubbly shade, because it's a little bit more champagne-y, and we'll kind of go with the eye colour. Now the reason why I've used a flat brush is because I'm going to go under here. So I'm going to use the shade Sunburst because it's really bright. And I'm just going to run it around that edge of my brow, as you can see. Ew! Imagine if everything just come off. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going with the MAC Whirl lip liner, which I absolutely love. And I'm just going to go in and line my lips. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do, I think I'm going to go in with a gloss. Although that's not very full-like. Is that full-like? I guess the eyes are full-like. Exposed. Let's just maybe go in with this. I don't know. I'm going to apply a little bit to my hand. I might just use, yeah. Yeah, that's full like, I guess. I don't know, what is full like? You can wear any bloody makeup in full. But actually, I really like that. This is Kylie Lip Kit in Exposed, the lip liner to it, so. Boom. And we are done. Yes. Oh, let's apply a little bit of highlights here. Maybe a little bit of contour as well. Let's contour it. Yum. Okay, this in here, so this little crevice. I mean, you can tell the difference already, can't you? This little crevice here. And it makes you look skinny if it looks like you've got collarbones. Just saying. This brush, which I said was awful, but I'm going to go into that same sunset shade and just apply, put some highlight on here. Although I could go for a little bit more, couldn't I? Collarbones, probably applied too much now. And you want to apply it like a little bit here. That is like the best place to put it because it just looks so lovely. Whee! Right, so obviously my hair, I've had my extensions out by the way, but I'm kind of loving life. I just took them out myself. I haven't got any hairspray, but this is just like a piercing spray, so I'm just going to apply a bit of that just to wet it down because, you know. So this is the finished look. What do we think? I have actually loved doing this video and it's made me feel really like, not emotional, that's a really stupid thing to say. Really like, I just love doing YouTube, I don't want to stop, but I don't know, I feel like I'm happy with this look actually. I feel like a lot of looks I've done lately I've just not really liked, whereas this one I kind of like, so yeah, I don't know. Thanks for watching guys, I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please drop down a comment or a like or a share, tag your friends in it, that would be amazing. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Why aren't you subscribed already? Yes, thanks so much for watching. If you did like anything that I've used in this video, then I will leave it in the description. These contacts are everything. Oh, I haven't even zoomed in, I'm so sorry. So this is the eye look, which is very, very glittery. And these are the contacts. Yeah. Oh, I've got a bit of mascara there. Oh well, never mind. More the merrier. So yeah, thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you again very, very soon with another video. Bye.